Hi, it's Brent here from Terrain Tamer, and I'm here at all 4x4 spares at their beautiful new showroom. What I wanted to talk to you about was the Terrain Tamer bearing kits. So there's many bearing kits on the market today, and often people don't quite understand. They all look a little bit similar, but I just want to point out a couple of things. The Terrain Tamer bearing kit comes with Koyo bearings. Unless they don't actually make it for the OE, often it can be then hard for us to source the Koyo bearing, or they just simply don't make it. So we look for another Japanese, but not Japanese only bearing. But the secret then comes into the seals. A lot of people don't realize this, but NOK, Koyo seals, but Japanese made seals ensure that it's very difficult for dirt and grime to get into the front end of your system. So make sure you ask for Terrain Tamer bearing kits. They come as Diff kits, transfer case kits, wheel bearing kits, and in this case, swivel housing and wheel bearing kits. And can be really, really crucial because there's hours of mechanical work that goes into fitting these parts at the front before you trip away. What I also wanted to talk to you about was the Terrain Tamer HeavyDuty Seal. So this is a new design. It's only about 6 months on the market. We've been testing it for many years. It actually spins on itself, so it reduces the wear on the HUD components. Can actually get away if there is a little bit of wear already on those hub or the axle, but also it's what's called a labyrinth structure. So there's three little gateways there for the dirt and grind to be stopped from ever entering the front end of your vehicle. So this is going to give you the ultimate protection for the front end of that vehicle. And again, there's a lot of mechanical and expensive mechanical work to fit these. So it's crucial that you don't cut any corners on the products themselves, because when you're out there and you get a leaking front end system, that's when the real cost is incurred. But you can get all the Terrain Tamer bearing kits from all 4x4 spares. The guys can help you there in selecting the right one. And if you need the mechanical work done here as well, it's nice and easy for them to do that also.